Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today's card is going to be showcasing the Butterfly Gala stamp set, which is available in the Spring Summer catalogue as well as the Gingham 6x6 designer series paper. Super cute and super simple to make. So shall we crack on? Without further ado. So today I'm mixing up the colours a little bit. So that is Daffodil Delight. Today I'm going to be using Highland Heather because in the DSP pack you get so many colours. You get Calypso Coral, Garden Green, Balmy Blue, Daffodil Delight and Highland Heather. So 5 colours, super cute. So you can make one of every colour. I know I plan on. So on the DSP you have 2 sides, a smaller print and a larger print. I personally am going to use a smaller print. And I'm just going to layer that on top of a 3x3 base in Highland Heather. Like so. Easy. I'm going to bring in a piece of scrap Whisper White. And the reason why I'm using scrap is so I don't completely use a new piece of Whisper White cardstock. And I'm going to bring in the Everyday Label punch and punch out a piece of that Whisper White just so our butterfly has somewhere to sit, like so. So also on this piece of Whisper White we are going to do our stamping. So we are going to take our Memento ink as well as the butterfly from that set, and we're going to stamp our butterfly down like so. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my Highland Heather ink pad, and in that set you also get what I refer to as the shadow. So that's the inside piece of the butterfly. So you get top and bottom, and I've just got both here on the one block, just so once I've done the top like so, I can just flip it round, ink up the bottom and pop that down like so. Super simple. And then all I need to do is bring in the coordinating punch like so and punch that out, and there you have it. Let's move this out of the way. So with this, what I am going to do is I'm going to bring in the body as well as the antennas for the butterfly, and I'm going to use an A block just to stamp this down. So the reason why I do the body after I've done the punching is so I can get it perfectly in the middle by using that as a base. Not a base, as a reference point. And then using the antennas, we'll be stamping them a little later. So this Everyday Label bit punched piece of Whisper White, I apologise, is just popped up onto 2 dimensionals just to sit on our card base. Like so. And then with a little help from my fingers, I'm just going to fold that and just manipulate the wings just so they bend slightly to give the card some dimension. And using a glue dot, which I have somewhere, which I seem to have mislaid. Guys, send a rescue party. I have lost my glue dots. There they are, right in front of my eyes. Just going to take one, roll it up, stick it on the back, like so. Place that in the middle, there. And then I'm going to stamp my antennas, so I know exactly where they need to go, which is there. Super easy. So for the sentiment, to save time, I have already pre-stamped onto basic black and heat set it into Whisper White. And all I'm going to do is cut off the ends slightly, like so. Fishtail them, just so it has a little extra going on. And then again with just some glue dots on either end. I'm just going to adhere that to my card. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed today's card. While you're here, why not pop into the description bar below where you can see a full list of the products used, as well as links to my online shop where you can purchase them. Why not like, comment and subscribe and share to your social media so everybody can see how simple it is to make such a pretty card. I will see you around. Bye guys.